Can you see heating, isn't it? See, that's heating here. So what is this apparatus called? So this is what we call crucible. Okay, good. What is cubicle? Okay, cubicle is something different. Okay, crucible. Okay, like I mentioned just now. Okay, you cannot put beaker, and somehow this is not a beaker as well. Okay, so what's the apparatus is used to weigh the crystal in A? Okay, weighing balance or measuring scale, okay, measuring balance and so on, anything. Measuring balance or weighing scale, acceptable, any. Okay, what is the position? Okay, what position should the air hole of Bunsen burner be in when heating the hydrator compound? It has to be open. Yeah, it has to be open, then only you can obtain a hot flame. Yeah. Okay, then you see, describe how the student could find out if all the waters of the crystallization has been removed. See, how can you ensure that, okay, all the water has been removed from the crystal? You have to repeat the heating, cooling, and weighing process until the mass is constant. Okay, which means you have to keep heating. Okay, keep heating, keep cooling it, keep measuring the mass until the mass stop dissolving. If the mass still, until the mass stop decreasing. So if the mass keep on decreasing, isn't it means that it's still water molecule inside the compound. Okay, so you see, to ensure there's no more water, isn't it? Okay, you repeat all, these 3 steps until the mass become constant. Yes, I will go into one question later on. Okay, no worries. Okay, what's the test for chemical test? So what's the chemical test for water? Is like what we did just now. Okay, anhydrous copper 2 chloride. Okay, result, it turns from white to blue. Oh, sorry, yeah. Anhydrous copper 2 sulfate, my bad. Okay, anhydrous copper 2 sulfate.